Hi everyone, my name is Namneet Kaur. So I am here to discuss with you about my experience in the Khaira Education. After passing my nursing and after 1 year experience, I have decided to move to abroad. That's why I called to Khaira Education, and Hima ma'am picked up my call and she explained me each and everything very clearly. So after that, I decided to join the Khaira Educations, and all staff members are very cooperative and they help me in each and every stage of my preparation. Whenever I feel low, all staff members are there to motivate me. Even though they help me at night, whenever I feel any kind of distraction between my studies, they help me in my preparing my timetable, preparing each and every stage of my preparation. They help me a lot. I really thankful to them. With the help of all the team members of Khaira Education, I am able to get my desired course, and now I get my visa for Ireland. So I especially thank to each and every member of the Khaira Education, and I highly recommend to all of you to join the Khaira Education if you want to fulfill your dreams to become a registered nurse in abroad. So come fast and join the Khaira Education. So thank you so much.